hope all of you are well today. I have a few appointments, so Mr. Thorson's going to be taking great care of you. The first thing that I'm going to start out with is a quick, short introduction on Chapter 3. Chapter 3 will be learning about expressions and equations. In 3.1, we'll be dealing with algebraic expressions. 3.2, we'll be adding and subtracting linear expressions. 3, we'll be solving equations using addition and subtraction. 4, we'll be solving multiplication and division equations. And 3-5 will be solving two-step equations. We'll also add in a couple of other things in this unit so that you are aware. First thing that I want to share with you is this cartoon. These are two of the people that happen to be in a lot of our cartoons. I can't find my algebra tiles, so I'm painting some of my dog biscuits. Now I'll be able to solve the equation 2x plus negative 2 equals 2. And the cat says, I hope the paint is edible. So as you can see, there's ways that we can do this, and we'll be solving equations that look like this. The second equation is Descartes. If you solve for the mouse, 2 times mouse plus 1 equals 8. In the equation, you get, and the cat says, a 3-course meal. Okay, a little math humor on that. And our third example of this is we've got x minus 2 parentheses x minus 1 equals 2 minus x. Hey, Descartes, true or false? The expressions are equivalent. And you can see this program is being interrupted for a brief commercial announcement in his head. He's not really sure how to solve that. But this is something that we will be able to solve. So a couple different things that I'm going to share with you right now as I move myself in this video. One of the things that we're going to talk about is evaluating expressions. In this, we are going to evaluate 6x plus 2y when x is negative 3 and y is negative 5. Excuse me, y is 5. You can see when we do this, we're simply going to substitute in x where the x is, y where the y is. And we can have this, which is negative 18 plus 10. Since I have different signs, we're going to subtract, take the larger. We know that this is 8. In our second example here, we're going to evaluate 6x squared minus 3 times y plus 2 plus 8 when x is negative 2, y is 4. So again, we're going to substitute in 6, negative 2 squared, minus 3, parentheses 4 plus 2 plus 8. Remember, order of operations, we evaluate inside those parentheses. So right here is what we're doing. 4 plus 2 is 6. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to do the exponent, which gives us negative 2 times negative 2, which is 4. Then we are going to multiply, so this is 24. This is 18, so we're going to go 24 minus 18, which is 6, plus 8 gives us 14. That is one of the things that you will be tasked with doing today. The second thing that we will be doing is we'll be writing algebraic expressions. So you can see here, this is the sum, which we know the sum to be an addition answer of twice a number, m and 4. So if you look at this, we've got the sum is right here, this plus, twice a number m, 2m, and 4. We're going to add those together. So this is the actual equation or the expression for that. 8 less than a number 3 times a number x. So we've got 8 less, which is minus 8, and the number 3 times x is 3x. So we got 3x minus 8. In this one right here, we got 5 more than 3 times q. So we're going to say 3q plus 5. Number 6. 9 less than a number n minus 9. The product means multiplication of a number p and 6. So we just got 6 times p or 6p. Number 8, the quotient means division answer of 8 and a number h. So we got 8 divided by h will give us our answer. Number 9, 4 more. So we're going to add 4 to 3 times a number t. 3t plus 4. And then finally, 2 less than a number 7 times c. So 2 less is -2. So we got 7c minus 2. And this will be part of the stuff that you'll be doing as well today. So Mr. Thorson is now going to be handing out a short worksheet that deals with algebraic expressions as well as what we talked about first, evaluating expressions. So you're going to have a worksheet on that to do. Before you do that, he's also going to be handing out the homework quiz. That's the first thing that you should be doing is the homework quiz. Again, you should all only have to copy down the 10 problems that I'm asking for from your work. Okay? Show me as much work as you have written down. Copy those down and then turn that in. Make sure you put your name on it. After that, you can go to Mr. Thorson, or he might even bring it to you and say, you need to finish the math test from yesterday. That's the second thing that you should do. When you get done with that test, then you should be able to do the beginning of chapter 3 worksheet that we will have going forward. So, in order, you should be doing the homework quiz, turning that in. You should be doing the actual test if you were not finished with that. And then you should be working on the introduction to chapter 3 with those worksheets. If you are finished with all of those, you may do something quiet in your seat. You may be on your Chromebook, but you should not be on your phone. When I get back on Friday, we will go over the worksheet for chapter 3, and then we will start in on lesson 3.1. Thanks to Mr. Thorson for doing this work. He's a great help, so if you have some questions, he might be able to help you. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you on Friday. Take care.